programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So let's continue our mini project. So here we completed till hover effect, right? But you can see here our image is not applied, right? So what we have done is I missed a semicolon here for the URL. Okay, save this and let's go to the web page. Yeah, you can see here the web page is applied now, but the web page is not applied throughout the screen, right? So what we have to do is let's add a style here for the HTML. HTML should be, its height should be 100%. Okay, so let's get into this. Yes, now you can see here the images applied throughout the body, right? Now let's continue this part. So here I applied the hover effect. Next, let's apply li dot drop down. So here what we are doing is we are creating the drop down menu. So drop down menu, we are just creating the box for it. Okay, how that box should be displayed and what should be the box width, height, and how the content should be displayed in it, that we are going to write. Okay, only what we are doing here, we are just using the display, so that is inline block semicolon. Okay, and next after that drop down content. So what all, how that content should be displayed. Okay, now drop down content, let's see that. So display none. Okay, and position absolute, then background color should be #333 and minimum width 160 pixel, and box shadow I want to apply for the box, so that is 0 pixel, 8 pixel, 16 pixel, 0 pixel, RGBA, so 0, 0, 0, 0.2. Okay, and then z index, that is 1. Okay, let's see the changes. Yeah, you can see here drop down menus I am applying here, but it is not at displaying, it is not displaying right now because we have not created any elements in it, right? So let's go get into this. Now drop down content anchor tags. Okay, I'll just quickly copy this part and paste it here. Here add a. Okay, then next color of the text should be white and padding 12 pixel and 16 pixel, then text decoration none, display block. Okay, and then next we will add a text align. Text align should be left. Close this part, save this. Let's see. Still we need to add the effects. Okay, and then we will add drop down content hover. So drop down content a hover, and here background color. So background color should be white close this, and also dot drop down content. Okay, and also drop down over, enter. So display block, close this, save this, go to web page, refresh. Yes, it is not apply. I mean, the menu is drop down menu is applied, but the thing is, here you can see the background is also white and the text color is also white, right? So where you are applying the background white, just apply the color of the text should be black. Okay, yeah. So you can see here this is white, and when these are the hover effect we are applying for the elements, there you apply the color of the text should be white. Yeah, right, you can see, right? So we applied the drop down menu. Now we need to create the image gallery we have to add, and also we need to add the text, I mean the heading of the heading of the restaurant, right? So for that, what we have to do is we have to create here the header file for that. Okay, and then we will do the styling for it. First, let's add the images. So let's go here and enter now. Okay, so now let's add the heading for the restaurant. Okay, so now here what I'm doing, I'm creating a div element for this. Okay, so div, so I'm applying a class for the div. Class is equals to the text block. Okay, and close this and just give the h1, that is the restaurant. Okay, and then I'm just adding a subtitle for that, that is join us for your best meal. Close this. Okay, then also close the div part. All right, and then next, save this, go to web page. Yes, so it is displaying here. Let's add a effect, I mean a box for that. Okay, so for that what we have to do is we need to do the styling. Okay, so let's do the styling for that. Scroll up, yeah. So now here dot text block, for this position should be absolute, and then top I need a 20 pixel, and left 20 pixel, and background color should be RGBA, so 0,0,0,0,2. Okay, and color of the text should be white. and then padding right. Yes, the padding right should be 20 pixel. Round and padding top should be 10 pixel. Let's see the changes. Yes, we applied the box for it. Okay, now